Well, Joe, looks like some more toilet repair.
Yeah, it looks that way, Danny, but actually the toilet itself is fine. The problem I'm having is with the lid that sits on the tank. And this is actually a pretty common problem in that the lid itself doesn't fit that well. It's a little wobbly, and because it's wobbling, you get that grinding sound.
I've seen that a lot, and that sure is an aggravating sound.
It is. It's like nails on a blackboard. It's,
Right.
it's because you have just a bare china surface scratching against another bare china surface. So what I'm going to do to fix that problem is just put a bead of silicone, clear silicone, around the top of the tank so it'll act as a gasket.
Okay.
So we just start on one end. Just put a bead right along. You don't need that much either. Maybe an 1/8 inch diameter. And then right across the front.
Now, I assume you'll let this dry probably, what, overnight?
Yeah, at least overnight, because you want to make sure it's good and cured. Obviously, you don't want to put the lid back on it and glue it in place. You're just trying to create a rubber gasket.
Well, Joe, let's see if your little trick works.
Okay, let's take a look. It's been 24 hours. The silicone's nice and fully cured. So let's just set this on top. And there you go, look at that. Not a sound out of it and no wobbling at all.
Well, that silicone really worked great. And, you know, there's a lot of ways you can use silicone in your bathroom, but I'll bet you never thought about this one.